Fat matrix. We're gonna just open this up. This is a little bit different than conventional filler. And this product is basically like artificial fat. So it's gonna look, feel, function, and perform exactly like artificial fat. And so I'm gonna go through a little bit about how we mix it and things like that. And we're using it on a very cool case today. We're doing it on a buttocks augmentation where we're also treating the cellulite at the same time. And so here's the fat matrix. We're gonna open it up and then I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. We can't show you the case that we're doing, unfortunately. I'd love to show it to you, but we can't show the case, but I can at least show you a little bit about the fat matrix. So if you zoom in here and you come in close, you'll actually look at this and you'll see it looks exactly like real fat. And this is about 1.5 cc's. It's gonna function and feel exactly like fat. In the body, it's gonna get integrated into the fat layer and the subcutaneous layer of the skin. And it's going to essentially become a part of you. And there's also gonna be a collagen building and remodeling phenomenon that occurs once we perform that injection.